Hey guys, it's Brian. So today I want to do a demonstration of this Monarch Aire 20-inch 3-speed box fan. I picked this up yesterday from a flea market and it's in alright shape. It's a little dirty and the plastic grills are a little bit yellowed, but it actually runs really well. Very smooth, no bearing noise. It's a 3-speed. Sorry about the dirt. I still have not cleaned this fan up. This is pre-cleaning. It's got a very unique looking blade hub. I've actually never seen one of these in person, so I had to pick it up. The second I saw it, I was like, wow, that's pretty cool. Monarch Aire 3-speed. And I'm not sure who the OEM was for Monarch Aire. If anybody knows, drop a comment below, and I will put the model number in the description box for the video. But anyway, I'm gonna flip it around. It's missing a couple of slats in the back of the grill, but overall it's actually in pretty good shape. And I'm not sure what kind of motor that is. I want to say it's a Macmillan, but I could be completely wrong. Like I said, I've never seen a Monarch Aire box fan in real life. Stabilize it a little bit here. So let's go ahead and fire this baby up. Here's high. It's a very quiet fan. It actually doesn't make a whole lot of noise and it moves quite a bit of air. It's pretty powerful. Medium. It does rattle a little bit. I'm pretty sure that's the blade, but you know, I'll tap into it later and see if I can figure it out. Other than the rattling, it's pretty quiet. It was low. It's definitely moving a good steady breeze on low, and it's very, very quiet. Go ahead and shut it off and do the spin down. Yeah, so that's my 3-speed Monarch Aire box fan, and I will put the model number in the description box below, but hope you guys enjoyed. Keep watching, more videos to come.